In this video, we shall learn how to create an interactive column chart, add colors to the columns, add layers to the columns, change the column styles, edit, modify, update, switch column axis read time, and move column chart to other sheets. Let's get on with it.
Column charts are rectangular bars used for illustrating data comparison.
In this video example, we will create column chart from the data shown on the screen. Check out the link below to our last video so you learn how we created and formatted this table. To create a column chart, select the month, expected and realized revenue data. Click on Insert in the menu bar. Select the little button beside the column icon in the standard formatting toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select a clustered two-dimensional column. This is a double column chart. A single column chart would have the month plotted against one of either the expected or the realized revenue. A column chart is an interactive data representation. Changes on the data sheet, such as a change in the month of July, is reflected automatically on the column chart. A similar change for the month of August resulted in a simultaneous change in the height of the column, as shown on the screen. Column charts are formatted in the Contextual tab or the Chart Tool tab, commonly referred to as a ribbon, and located in the menu bar. To activate the Contextual tab, double-click on the created column chart. Here are icons on the Contextual tab: the Add Chart Elements formatting icon, the Quick Layout formatting icon, the Change Color formatting icon, the Switch Row and Column formatting icon, the Select and Format Data icon, and the Move Chart formatting icon. To change the style of the current column chart, double-click on the column chart, select the More option little button, hover over the several display style option, and when happy, accept one of the styles. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to continue watching, then go ahead and smash the subscription button, and you will never miss out on our future uploads. To increase visibility, you could bold the column title, the vertical axis data series, and the month in the horizontal axis. Formatting with Add Chart Elements. Axis, to hide horizontal and vertical chart elements. Toggle between primary horizontal and primary vertical chart elements option. Axis title. Here you have the option to display the axis title on the horizontal or vertical axis of the column. Chart title. This allows you the option to either place the column title at the top, bottom, or none to hide. With data labels, data sizes for each column can be hidden, displayed at the center, inside end, inside base, outside end, or as a data column. In the data table display menu, legend keys could be hidden or displayed. The standard error, percentage, and standard deviation of the error bar show variability by indicating how far from the determined value the true value actually is. The option to choose between plotting grid lines as background using the primary, minor, major, vertical or horizontal grid is done using the grid line display menu. The legend display icon allows the option to choose where to display the column chart legend. The trend line display option shows how a business has fared with respect to a forecast, whether linearly, exponentially, or as a moving average could be represented. Here, the moving average uses set of expected revenue trends to recommend or propose a line graph as minimum revenue that should be realized. Formatting with quick layout. Select the little button beside the quick layout icon and the drop down menu will appear. Hover over the several styles and select one that serves your needs. Change color formatting icon. In the change color formatting icon, we have the colorful option and the monochromatic option. In the colorful formatting option, there is a wide range of color options to select from, while the monochromatic color option allows a single color option with a range of contrasting difference. The switch row and column icon. With the switch row and column icon, horizontal entries could be swapped by vertical entries. Here, the blue rectangle column on either side of the layout represents the month of January for both the expected and realized revenue that previously served as the horizontal entries. The same applies for the month of February. The select data icon. From the select data dialog box, you can edit or remove existing legend entries or add new ones. As an example, on checking February and accepting by clicking OK will result in deleting February on the horizontal entry side of the column. Using the Switch Data tab, you could switch rows to column and column to rows. The change chart type icon. Already created column charts can be changed from cluster to stack column. This is a two-dimensional cluster column chart. It displays more than one data series, the expected and the realized, in two-dimensional cluster vertical columns. A stacked column chart has data series stacked one on top of the other, allowing easy comparison over time as the total volume is easily compared, unlike the cluster column chart. This is a 100% stack column chart. Unlike the regular stack column chart, the 100% column chart is meant to show the relative percentage of multiple data series in stack columns, where the total of stack columns always equals 100%. We also have the option of changing to a three-dimensional clustered, stacked, and 100% stack column chart. To move completed column to other sheet, On the Move Chart dialog box, enter the name of the destination sheet or keep as Chart 1. You will observe that changes on the data sheet for the month of July is automatically updated on the column chart in the My Column sheet. This is to show that column remains interactive despite it's on a different sheet as the data.